Gary V or Gary Vaynerchuk and Alex Hormozi ilang beses na sinabi sa kanilang video na hindi naman daw sila nagmo-morning routine, hindi naman daw sila nagjo-journaling, hindi naman daw sila making their bed, hindi naman daw sila nagbe-meditate, and yet they're still successful.
I built wealth without reading a book a week, without making my bed, without journaling, without a 2-hour morning routine, without giving up alcohol, without giving up Netflix, without waiting to marry, and without leverage. Because the only thing you actually have to do is find shit people want, sell it to them for more than it cost you many times.
You said somewhere that you don't meditate. Work you do and the passion with which you do it is pretty much meditative. Your thoughts on this?
I think you've got me pegged.
Bakit nga ba yun ang kanilang stand? At bakit other successful people merong morning routine, waking up early in the morning, reading books, journaling, so on and so forth? Sila disciplined, ikaw hindi. Wag mong gamiting rason sa akin na si Alex Hormozi nga at si Gary V hindi nagmo-morning routine. Ako rin ayoko mag-morning routine. That's not the point. You're not the same. Kung hindi ka pa disiplinado, hindi mo pa yan na-instill at na-establish sa sarili mo, morning routine ka na muna.
Hi, this is Migs and let's turn your situation to life coaching lessons.
Pareho namang may resulta pero magkaiba ng daily practice. Ano nga ba ang susundin mo at talaga bang effective ang daily routine or hindi mo na ito dapat gawin? Personally, ito ang opinion ko sa mga sinasabi nila. The reason kung bakit si Gary Vaynerchuk at si Alex Hormozi has made millions despite of not having a morning routine, journaling, meditation, is because they've already established a structured discipline. Ano yung dalawang structured discipline na pinapractice na nila araw-araw? Kaya they can afford not to meditate or they can afford not to have a morning routine and yet generate success, even millions. The first structured discipline that they're doing is what we call growth. Even if Alex Hormozi said to the public na hindi siya nagbabasa ng libro araw-araw, pero sure na sure ako, he still has an instilled, structured discipline with regards to growing himself. Bakit? Halata naman sa kaniyang mga content na nilalabas that he really knows what he's talking about. He really knows what he's doing. Hindi naman siya nag-iimbento, hindi naman siya nagpapauso ng mga bagay-bagay na walang context, walang background, talagang pinag-aralan niya yung craft niya. He's good at what he does and he's, I would say, a master of his craft based on result. Si Gary Vaynerchuk, ganun din. Kung titingnan mo yung mga content ni Gary V, talagang he knows what he's talking about. He is looking at the data, naaral niya yung kanyang craft. Ngayon, ang tanong ko, ikaw ba, bago mo i-resist or bago mo sabihin na hindi importante yung pagbabasa ng libro para sa'yo or hindi importante yung pag-aaral para sa'yo araw-araw, have you already instilled a structured discipline? Specifically, pagdating sa becoming a master of your craft? Have you instilled a structured discipline pagdating sa growing yourself every single day para ikaw yung maging pinakamagaling sa whatever niche that you have preferred? That's the first point. The second structured discipline na nakita kong ginagawa nila is what we call work ethics. Itong dalawang taong ito, kahit na hindi sila nagmo-morning routine, talagang autopilot na sila pagdating sa kanilang grind, pagdating sa kanilang hustle, pagdating sa kanilang work ethics. Hindi mo na kailangan i-check, i-inspect at i-motivate itong dalawang taong to kasi with a morning routine or not, they've already have a structured discipline to work. Ikaw, tanong ko sa'yo, meron ka na bang disiplina para trabaho? Or kailangan ka pang i-motivate? O kailangan ka pang i-check? O kailangan pang i-inspect kung talaga bang nagtrabaho ka? Kasi kung hindi pa, mag-morning routine ka. Kasi alam nyo, ang ginagawa ng morning routine, more than just clearing your mind. Okay? Ako personally, I practice it through meditation. More than just clearing your heart. More than just starting your day right. More than just starting your day with growth by actually reading. Alam mo, ang ginagawa ng morning routine is tinuturuan kanya maging disiplinado. Tinuturuan kanya na regardless of your feelings, you become disciplined anyway. Na regardless of whether you're motivated or demotivated, you're gonna be disciplined anyway. Alam mo, ang tinuturo ng morning routine is for you na gawin ang isang bagay anuman ang mood mo, gawin mo pa rin. Kasi yung disiplina na may instill mo just by doing morning routine, you can actually apply sa iyong trabaho through what we call work ethics. Mai-apply to become a master of your craft through what we call growth. Yan yung benefit talaga na ginagawa or yung essence talaga na ginagawa ng isang morning routine. Ngayon, kung hindi ka pa naman disiplinado pagdating sa pag-aaral to become the best in your field at hindi ka pa naman disiplinado para sa work ethics na magtrabaho araw-araw, wag mong gamiting rason sa akin na si Alex Hormozi nga at si Gary V hindi nagmo-morning routine. Ako rin ayoko mag-morning routine. That's not the point. You're not the same. Sila disciplined, ikaw hindi. Kung hindi ka pa disiplinado, hindi mo pa yan na-instill at na-establish sa sarili mo, morning routine ka na muna. Bakit? Kasi kapag disiplinado ka na, then, and only then, maybe pwede mo na yung bitawan. Pero ito ang na-prove ko sa aking personal na buhay. Ginawa ko lang naman yon for me to be disciplined. Pero the moment that I already became disciplined, ginagawa ko pa rin at pinagpapatuloy ko yung morning routine. Why? Kasi nakakatulong siya sa aking mental health, nakakatulong siya sa aking emotional health, at nakakatulong siya sa aking spiritual health. Simulan mo pa rin yung araw mo with meditation, with putting God first, no, through prayer or devotion or listening to worship. And then, simulan mo pa rin yung araw mo with growth. When I say growth, pag-aaral. Bago ka magsimula sa iyong trabaho. So I hope nagkaroon tayo ng clarity for this. If you want more, follow for more.